Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. Of course, before we jump into what I have to share with you, anything we do discuss is for information and educational purposes only. So just take a moment and read over this disclaimer, and then we'll jump into the opportunity that I have reserved to share with you for today. So this is the Euro US dollar currency pair. That's right. Our Hawkeye indicators work flawlessly in the forex market. So this opportunity presented itself for clearly a short position. We just waited for our indicators to line up. We jumped into the trade and off we went. Now you can see on this chart here I have two methods of management: our trends and stops and also our ATRs. Whichever you choose to uniquely build your trade plan around is perfectly fine and up to you. That is the very beauty of the systematic approach we take here at Hawkeye to the market. We allow you to take our tools and build the trade plan that you wish to trade with. Now, this particular trade, chart here is a 15-minute chart. Now, why am I showing you a 15-minute chart? Ideally, because most of you are corporate America employees, perhaps, and maybe you're working from home and you want to trade the market, but you don't have time to sit there and focus on every nook and cranny, but you really want to stick to day trading. Well, that's fine. We'll bump you out to a 15-minute chart, get you set up here with some higher time frame qualifications. So you got a real easy, just glance at the screen every 15 minutes and see if there's an opportunity, or B, if you're in a trade, any management moves that you may have to make. So it just really simplifies it. So while you're on your conference call, or while you're writing a paper, or while you're doing whatever it is you're doing to earn a living, you could also have your money be making you money at the same time. And that is always the objective. So that is the uniqueness that we can, you have the ability to customize our indicators to the plan that you wish to, of course, execute. So to see what is right and not do, it is a lack of courage. So when you see something that is the right thing to do, and it may not be the popular thing to do, it may not be the cool thing to do, it may not be even the most socially acceptable thing to do. But when you come across a crossroad in your life that you see that there is something inside of you that goodness tells you should do, don't lack the courage to do it. It's meaningful when you do something that sometimes the right choice is not always the easy choice. My wife had spent about 25 years feeding homeless people in New York City. Most of them United States veterans, which is, very, very upsetting. And, before her and I got married, I had taken a few trips with her and we had fed them together. This is pre-pandemic, when things were not, what they are today. This is before the recent violence in the inner cities that occurred last year. Unfortunately, we were forced to stop. But when we went, we one trip we went, and I'll never forget this one because it was so cold. I think I had 2 or 3 pairs of pants on, and 3 shirts, and 2 jackets, and 2 pairs of gloves, and 2 hats or whatever. But it was freezing. I mean, it was maybe 10, 15, 20 degrees out, and we're on the side of the road in New York City, and the wind is howling. There's snow on the ground. The ground's wet. It was just a brutal night. And that night, I think we probably fed somewhere between 200 to 300 homeless people, and every single one of them was grateful. They were grateful for the cup of soup we gave them. They were grateful for the hot chocolate we gave them. They were grateful for the socks we gave them, the blankets, and even some of them we gave our clothes off our own back to them because they just didn't have anything at all. So listen, having the courage to do what's right is really important. So when you see this juncture in your life, when you come across something that requires you to step out of your comfort zone, have the courage to do it and do the right thing. And it will feed your soul on a level that you can't imagine. And it's good for you. It's good for society. It's good for us as humankind. So just keep that in mind. I wanted to share that story with you guys. Now, if you'd like to learn more, of course, what we do here at Hawkeye Traders, I encourage you to click the link below. Check out, of course, the Project V-Swarm webinar. In this webinar, you will learn how we use our volume-based indicators to tackle this market over and over and over again. If you'd like to check out our website, there's plenty to see and learn there, too, at HawkeyeTraders.com. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to our support staff via email or give us a phone call. Guys, we are here to serve you. We are here to provide for you. We are here to teach you. We are here to give you the very best indicators that are on the market. And with that, I hope you have a great day, a blessed day, a profitable day, and stay healthy and be kind. And I will talk to you soon. Take care.